Good morning to all my dear children. This is your EVS teacher. I welcome again to today's online classes. Today we will study our new chapter number 8, Recreation. In this lesson, we are going to learn about recreation. As you have seen, children, our parents go outside for work. They do their job, and also in our neighborhood we see every adult person they used to go out and do the job. For what purpose they go outside and do the job? Can you tell me? Yes, they go out to do the job so that they can earn money for their livelihood. Is it so? Okay. And also you children also comes to school. Why? For what purpose you are coming to school? To learn new things, to gain knowledge. Yes or no? Yes. You all come to school, learn new things, attend classes, and then goes back home. All of us need a little change in our daily life. Living in a same daily routine makes us feel bored, and we will not be able to find any interest in doing such work regularly. Yes or no? Sometimes we get bored by always going outside, do the same work and then coming back, and also by going to school regularly, then attending classes and then coming back home. Yes or no, children? Yes. Why? Because we get bored and we also feels tired. So sometimes your parents take you outside for picnic. Yes or no? Yes. You go outside for shopping. You go outside for playing in the park or in the beach. Yes or no? Yes. These all activities are a type of recreation activities. This all makes you give happiness, a break from the daily life. Yes or no? You feel very happy when you go outside for a picnic or you go for a shopping with your family. Yes or no? Yes. That is a kind of recreation. Today we will study that recreation and how other activities we can perform to feel ourselves happy and pleasure. Today we will study our chapter recreation. Now let us start our chapter. I am reading the paragraph. Pay attention. We go to school to learn new things. Our parents go out to work. Everyone has a daily routine. Children, routine, what do you mean by routine? I will tell you. As I earlier said that our parents, adult persons go out to do work, and you children, you used to go to school to learn new things. Continue going, then coming back, then again the next day going there and doing the work, then coming back. This is called as routine. Whatever activities you are doing daily, one day after the other, that is called as a daily routine. They go out to work or study in the morning and return in the evening. This is true now. You go out in the morning to school. Your parents go out to do work in the morning, and then you comes back from the school to home in the afternoon or in the evening. Similarly, your parents also, they used to come back home in the evening or at night. These all are a daily routine of person's life. Okay. After a day's hard work or study, we need rest. We also like to have fun with our family and friends. What we do in our free time to enjoy is called recreation. So, what this paragraph means, children? Every day's daily routine makes us feel bored. As you can see, if a machine is working continuously, then its performance gets weaker and its speeds also get slower. By proper oiling, maintenance, and by giving a break to the machine, then by proper rest, the machine also starts functioning better, more better than the previous one. Yes or no? In the same way, by our daily work, our body feels tired. It needs proper rest and refreshment. So, for this purpose, we do such activities which gives us pleasure, interest and enjoyment. We need some time for ourselves to enjoy. Not always doing the daily routine, going outside, doing the work and coming back, going outside, studying, playing, then coming back. We need a break from the daily routine. So, for recreation, we do some activities. But why we are doing some activities? So that our body gets refreshed and we can have some pleasure. Understood? So, you can say what is recreation? The activities that people choose to do refresh their body and mind. Also, make their free time more and more interesting and enjoyable. In other words, we can say, children, activity done for enjoyment when one is not working. That is called recreation. This all I have explained recreation. Now, in short, what you can say, what is recreation? Whatever we do in our free time to be getting pleasure and enjoy ourselves is called as recreation. I am repeating, children, again. See, what is recreation? Whatever activity we do in our free time to get pleasure and make us enjoy. That activity is called recreation. We can do with our family and friends. Okay? Understood till now, children? What is recreation? How we, why it is needed to get ourselves break from our daily routine. Now, let us see the next paragraph. I am reading it. We do many things to relax and feel fresh. Some children like to play indoors games. They like to read, draw, paint, sing and dance. Children also like to play indoor games like Ludo, chess and caroms. Children, in the picture, look here. A girl is singing there. Second, a boy is doing painting over there. He is drawing a mountain. Next, the last girl is dancing there. These all activities are a kind of recreation. Why? So that one can feel relaxed and feel fresh. How to do such things? For recreation, we do some activities, indoor as well as outdoor activity. Let us have a look. Indoor activities. This indoor activity can be done inside the house. We used to watch television. We used to listen music. we can sing, and also we can dance. Let us talk about you children. You children like to play games, indoor games. Your children loves to do drawing and craft activities. Yes or no? Yes, in the free time, every child I can see that you take your notebook at the back side, you used to start drawing, coloring it and doing other craft activities. That means every child loves to do drawing. And also, you children used to do reading books, painting, as well as singing and dancing. Also, you children used to use computer or tablet to play games. Am I right? Yes. You use your computer and tablet to play games, which you can do inside the house also. And there are other indoor games like Ludo, chess and caroms. These games can be done inside the house, so they are called indoor games. Here the boy is sitting there, he is watching television. This is also a form of recreation because this gives him refresh their body and mind, and he is watching something interesting and enjoyable, which makes him feel fresh and happy. So children, today we have seen what is recreation, but why recreation is needed, and also the kinds of recreation. We have seen the indoor activities. Outdoor activities is left. By the indoor activities also we can get a refreshment in our body and mind, and we can use our free time. Okay. Children, I hope you understood today's chapter. Revise it again. Go through it. Tomorrow we'll continue our new topic. Okay. Thank you. Revise it at home. Have a nice day.